lungs is a very important organ in human body. We have to maintain our lungs, we have to keep our lungs healthy, especially during this COVID pandemic. Then there is a pair of respiratory organs situated in thoracic cavity. Both the lungs are separated by mediastinum. Texture is spongy. Color of the lungs in youngs is brown gray, and in adults it turns into moderate black. Weight of the right lung is 700 grams and weight of the left lung is slightly lesser, that is 600 to 650 grams. Each lung is conical in shape and it has apex, base, 3 borders and 2 surfaces. It has apex, base, 3 borders and 2 surfaces. Then how the apex is? Apex is blunt. It reaches 2.5 cm above medial 1/3 of clavicle. It lies above the level of anterior end of first rib. It is covered by cervical pleura and suprapleural membrane. It is grooved by subclavian artery anteriorly and on medial side. And what about base? It is semilunar and concave. It rests on diaphragm. It separates right lung from right lobe of liver and left lung from left lobe of liver. Then what about the borders of lungs? First of all, we will see anterior border. It is thin and shorter than posterior border. It corresponds to anterior line of pleural reflection. Anterior border of left lung shows cardiac notch below level of 4th costal cartilage. Then posterior border, it is thick and extends from C7 to T10. And at last, inferior border, it separates the base from costal and medial surfaces. Now we will see surfaces. First of all, let us see costal surface. It is large and convex. It lies in contact with costal pleura and overlying thoracic wall. Then medial surfaces. It is divided into 2 parts, anterior and second one is posterior part. Here in the diagram you can see right lung and left lung. There is apex, anterior border, cardiac notch and inferior border. Now in this diagram you can see the fissures and lobes of the lungs. There is a superior lobe, middle lobe, inferior lobe, hilum and cardiac notch. Then what are the fissures? First of all, let us see oblique fissure. It passes obliquely downwards and forwards, crossing post. Border about 6 cm below apex and inferior border about 5 cm from median plane. What about the horizontal fissure? In right lung, it passes from anterior border up to oblique fissure and separates middle lobe from upper lobe. It runs horizontally at level of 4th costal cartilage and meets oblique fissure in midmaxillary